Hi everybody and welcome back to Wealth Wednesdays. My name is Janine Rogan and I am the CEO of the Wealth Building Academy, and today we're going to be talking about how to get started investing. Investing can be something that is extremely daunting, and there's a lot of financial jargon in the finance industry around investing, and it can be scary for young people to get started. But the secret is, it is the most important thing you can do to build your wealth. You are not going to save $2 million by putting money in a savings account. You need to grow that money by double-digit returns, especially if you're in your 20s and 30s. You can do this by investing. So the first thing you need to decide to do is to open an account. You can open an account if you want to do it yourself through a company like Questrade. If you want to use a robo-advisor, Wealthsimple is a great option here in Canada. And you can also hire a financial advisor, but they do typically charge a lot higher fees. The next thing you need to do once you open an account is fund that account. Now, some institutions will have a minimum value. So in Questrade, it's $1,000, but some financial institutions like Wealthsimple or maybe your bank might not have a minimum to get started. When I started investing when I was 19, which was 12 years ago, I actually walked into my bank at the time and started investing within an RRSP with $25, and I was able to buy my first mutual fund. Now, don't get me wrong, I had absolutely no idea what I was investing in, and that's not the best approach, but at the end of the day, the most important thing is to get started, and get started with even a small sum of money like $25. At this stage, it's really about building a habit, so that $25 or $100 every month going into your investments or into a savings account to eventually move into your investments is something that is a lifelong skill. As you make more money, you can increase the amount that you're going to contribute to your investment fund. So now that you've opened an account and you've saved the money to get started, you need to decide what type of account to invest in. If you're Canadian, I highly recommend the TFSA because the growth within the TFSA is tax-free. That being said, you do have the option of an RRSP as well as an unregistered account. Once you've decided the account, you need to decide what to buy. And this can be overwhelming for individuals because there are so many investment options out there. When you're looking at investments, you want to make sure that you're investing in a well-diversified, low-cost fund and that's in line with your values. So if ESG is something that's important to you, then you want to make sure that that fund hits all of those metrics that are important to you and your investing thesis. Once you've done this, you'll want to continue to invest on a monthly basis and make it automatic so that you don't have to think about it. We want to minimize the number of decisions that we're making. So automating this and ensuring that you're investing every week or every month will really help you leverage dollar cost averaging. If you want more information on how to start investing, you can check out my course, The Wealth Lab. It is a 6-module self-paced course with over 42 lessons that teaches you everything you need to know about investing in the stock market and even walks you through how to make a trade, how to sell a stock, and build your trading plan for every level of your wealth building journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about investing, you can leave them in the comments section below. And I will see you next week.